mail search is not working in Mac, if mail search is not working, then here is the fix. What you have to do, you have to just click on this Apple icon at the top left and click on System Settings to open System Settings. And now when the settings opens up, scroll down and find Spotlight. Now click on Spotlight from the left menu. Here it is. And now just find and the right Mail and Messages. Just deselect it, uncheck it. And now what you have to do, you have to restart your computer, come back here again by opening System Settings and clicking on Spotlight and select it again. It'll re-index the mail and messages and the issue will be solved. If this does not get solved, then here is the fix. What you have to do, you have to just open Terminal. Okay, and here you have to type sudo mdutil space -a -i off. Okay, you have to type it, hit enter. You have to enter your password. Now indexing is disabled. Now again type sudo mdutil -a -i on. Okay, hit enter and it will be enabled and your problem will be fixed.